Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. I wanted to bring you some news out of Latah County, Idaho, which is where the case styled as State of Idaho versus Brian Christopher Kohberger was presiding from December 29th, 2022 through change of venue to Ada County in mid-September of 2024. There is a notification on the home page of the 2nd Judicial District Court that welcomes the public to this web page. It states that the 2nd Judicial District includes the counties of Clearwater, Lewis, Idaho, Nez Perce, and Latah County, and is located in north central Idaho, and that the administrative judge of the 2nd District is the District Judge Mark Monson. There is a notification here of a judicial vacancy in Latah County, and it states the Magistrates Commission of the 2nd Judicial District is seeking applicants for a magistrate judge position to fill the vacancy created by the promotion of the Honorable Megan Marshall to District Judge. The magistrate judge position will be chambered in the Latah County Courthouse in Moscow, Idaho, and this position will handle all magistrate-level case types and may cover cases in other counties within the 2nd District. And there is a notification that an attorney survey will close on June 30th, 2025, and that there is an invitation for public commentary regarding this matter that closes July 7th, 2025 at 5 p.m. There is a hot link to a Latah County public comment form regarding magistrate judge, and a list of candidates appear immediately below it. Judge Marshall, as you will recall, was the first judicial officer to preside over the Idaho versus Kohberger case from its inception on December 29th, 2022, through its change of venue from Latah to Ada County, Idaho, which occurred in mid-September of 2024. Amongst other matters, Judge Marshall, on the 29th of December 2022, entered an order finding probable cause for Mr. Kohberger's arrest based on the Affidavit of Probable Cause that had been submitted and that had been signed by Detective Brett Payne of the Moscow Police Department. It is located on the docket. It is dated December 29th, 2022. If you would like to read that 18-page affidavit submitted by Detective Payne, its last page, page 18, asks for a warrant for Mr. Kohberger's arrest. That warrant was entered without bail by Judge Marshall also on December 29th, 2022, and it led directly to Mr. Kohberger's arrest in the early morning hours of December 30th, 2022, across the country in Pennsylvania, where Mr. Kohberger was at the time, and remained until his willing return to Idaho. He did not fight extradition during the first week of January 2022. Judge Marshall presided over the case until mid-May of 2023, upon the filing of the return of an indictment that was issued by the Latah County grand jury. And that indictment is what the 5 counts therein is what Mr. Kohberger will stand trial on. One final matter before we conclude this episode of the Indie Zone podcast. We are now approaching 750 episodes. This podcast appears on multiple platforms. Wherever you are listening, if you enjoy our content, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the like button and or submit a comment and or your questions. All are greatly appreciated. And until next time, This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us today.